Hey guys, this is Farrell, and today I want to open something called a Pikmi Pop, and this is what it contains: 2 scented plush, 1 message lollipop, 3 surprise items, 2 surprise messages, 1 lollipop stand, 3 dangler strings, 1 collector's guide, and this is the warning. Choking hazards. Toy contains small parts and small balls, not for children under 3, and over 45 to collect. By the smell of it, I think I'm gonna get this one, and since it's I'm feeling lucky, I think I'm gonna get this one. So let's get to it. So where's the pull thing? I'm just gonna pull it over. Scissors, and let's get to it. It's this now. Maybe I can rip off the warning. And let's. It's gonna take a long time, I guess. I'm just gonna cut a little bit of it. Just a minute and. Okay. Oh, there. Almost there. Finally. I'll get this off. There! Finally. Okay. Okay, stand. Put this on. Okay, let's first look at the flush. I think this is one of the flush. Okay. I knew it! It smells like cotton bubble gum. If you know about Double Bubble, this is how it smells. This is one of them. I knew it, I told you guys. And let's look at the other one. I know it's the bird. I did not know about. I think, yeah. I knew these two. I knew both of them. Let's open this one. I'm scared about the stuff, so let's open this by hand. Just cutting. Wow, this is really strong. There, finally. Oh, my hand, like the thing around my neck to hold these. That, and I think these are the messages because they're very flat. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is my collector's guide. These are my stickers. Oh, these are the messages. Let's see what the bubblegum said. Anyway, this one is bubblegum. You're a bun of fun. The bubblegum is a bunny, so that's why it said you're a bun of fun, and I think that's very cute. It's time for that. I don't know what that is. No. And it's a Ollie bear. I don't know. I'll always bear you for you, and this is a bear, I guess. Oh, there's something inside here. Let's see what's in here. So cute! It's a little bunny, I think. And I think, yeah. I think this is all it contains. So let's count 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Yep. So let's just read the contains again. And see if I got everything. So it contains 2 scented plush. These are my 2 scented plush. Contains 1 lollipop vest. This is my vest. 3 surprises. I think 1. Oops. 1, 2. My 3rd one. Oh. I think it's the stickers. So 1, 2. I don't think I got a 3rd one. It's fine. And 2 surprise messages. These are my 2 surprise messages. 2 surprise messages, 1 lollipop stand. I got my stand. 3 danglers. 1, 2, 3 danglers. And 1 collector's guide. This is my collector's guide. And this is what the big Pikmi Pop contains. Stickers, 2 scented plush, 1 of these hard danglers. And if you don't know what a dangler is, it's these. And it contains 2 surprise messages, a vest that you can wear to school. If it doesn't fit, you just open this and put it around you. And a collector's guide. And I think that's all it contains. And please subscribe if you haven't. Like this video and comment down below what I should do next. See y'all next time. Goodbye.